What if I told you one of the most powerful AI tools right now isn't ChatGPT, isn't Google Gemini, and isn't even built by a tech giant you hear about every day? It's called Claude AI, and it's quietly becoming one of the smartest, safest, and most useful AI assistants available today. In this video, I'll break down what Claude is, why it's different, what it does better than other AI tools, and how businesses, creators, and professionals are using it right now. Let's get into it. Claude AI is a conversational AI assistant developed by Anthropic, a company founded by former OpenAI researchers with a specific mission: to build AI systems that are helpful, honest, and harmless. While most AI tools focus on raw power, Claude was built with reasoning, safety, and real-world usefulness as its foundation, which turns out to be exactly what professionals actually need. Claude isn't just a chatbot, it's a writing assistant, research analyst, coding helper, business strategist, knowledge worker, and it excels at understanding long documents, complex instructions, and nuanced context better than almost any other AI on the market. Claude's biggest advantage is context handling. Most AI tools struggle when you paste in long documents, contracts, research papers, transcripts, or business plans. Claude, on the other hand, was built to handle massive context windows, meaning it can process tens or even hundreds of pages at once. That unlocks serious use cases. Upload a 50-page PDF and ask for a summary. Drop in an entire contract and ask for risk analysis. Paste a full book manuscript and get structural feedback. Feed in business reports and extract insights. Instead of just responding to short prompts, Claude can understand your entire project, which makes it feel less like a chatbot and more like a true digital analyst. Claude truly shines when it comes to writing quality. While many AI tools sound robotic, templated, or generic, Claude's writing is natural, coherent, thoughtful, context-aware, and surprisingly human. It's especially strong at long-form articles, business documents, marketing copy, technical writing, emails and proposals, creative storytelling. Claude doesn't just write, it reasons through ideas, asks smart clarifying questions, and adapts tone extremely well. This makes it a favorite among content creators, marketers, lawyers, consultants, academics, product managers. In many cases, Claude's output requires less editing than competitors, which means real-time savings, not just novelty responses. One reason Claude is rapidly gaining adoption in business and enterprise environments is its alignment and safety architecture. Anthropic designed Claude using something called constitutional AI, meaning it follows a transparent set of ethical principles rather than relying solely on human moderation after the fact. That results in more predictable behavior, fewer hallucinations, stronger refusals when appropriate, more responsible responses in sensitive domains. For companies handling legal documents, medical data, financial analysis, or compliance-heavy workflows, this reliability matters. Claude is designed not just to be smart, but to be trustworthy, which is increasingly the most important metric in AI adoption. Claude isn't just good at writing, it's excellent at structured reasoning. That includes breaking down complex problems, explaining trade-offs, analyzing scenarios, comparing strategies, evaluating decisions, synthesizing large data sets. For example, you can give Claude a business idea and ask for market analysis, competitive positioning, monetization strategies, risk assessment, go-to-market plans. You can paste in a legal case and ask, what are the arguments? What are the risks? What precedents apply? Claude behaves more like a thinking assistant than a predictive text generator, which is exactly where AI becomes truly useful. Claude has also become a favorite among developers. It excels at code explanation, debugging, refactoring, documentation generation, writing tests, and translating between programming languages. But where it really stands out is understanding entire code bases. Instead of feeding one file at a time, you can paste in large chunks of a project and ask, what does this system do? Where are the performance bottlenecks? How would you improve architecture? Where are potential security risks? That makes Claude incredibly powerful for software engineers, product teams, CTOs, technical founders. It's not replacing developers, it's multiplying their output. So how does Claude compare to other major AI assistants? Here's the honest breakdown. Claude excels at long document analysis, writing quality, nuanced reasoning, safer outputs, professional use cases. ChatGPT excels at tool integrations, plugins and browsing, multimodal workflows, automation. Google Gemini excels at real-time search, Google ecosystem integration, data retrieval. In practice, many professionals use multiple tools, but Claude is often the go-to for heavy writing, research synthesis, strategic thinking, policy analysis, contract review, documentation. Claude feels like the AI you use when the work actually matters. Here's how businesses are using Claude right now. Marketing and content teams, blog creation, campaign messaging, brand voice development, SEO briefs, ad copy, legal and compliance teams, contract analysis, policy review, risk flagging, regulatory summaries, product and strategy teams, market research, competitive analysis, user persona development, roadmap planning, engineering teams, code documentation, bug analysis, system design reviews, testing strategies, education and research, literature review, paper summaries, teaching material creation, curriculum planning. Claude's strength is turning unstructured information into structured insight, which is one of the highest value business skills in the modern economy. Many users report that Claude simply feels different, not because it pretends to be human, but because it acknowledges uncertainty, explains its reasoning, handles nuance, understands ambiguity, adapts tone extremely well. Instead of hallucinating confidently, Claude often says, "Here's what I know, here's what I'm unsure about, and here's what I'd recommend." That transparency builds trust, and trust is what turns AI from a novelty into a real tool. Claude represents something bigger than just another chatbot. It signals a shift toward AI as cognitive infrastructure, tools that think alongside you, reduce mental load, speed up analysis, improve decision quality, scale expertise. We're moving from AI answers questions to AI helps humans think better. And Claude is one of the clearest examples of that transition happening right now. The real power isn't automation, it's amplification. If you haven't tried Claude yet, you're seriously missing out on one of the most capable AI assistants available today. Whether you're a business owner, creator, developer, consultant, student, marketer, Claude can dramatically improve how fast and how well you work. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Are you Team Claude, Team ChatGPT, or using both?